Time for the next step. Your task today is going to be to retry this object. Why is this upside down? Alright. Now, let me get this flipped the right way. Cool. So, you want this, your drawing to look just like this. We're going to have the height matched from the front view to the side view, and you want the width lines to be the same between the front view and the top view. From your drawing, there's one change that you have to make. You want this top portion to be 4 boxes wide. I'm going to add one thing today. I want you to put all of your measurements in between arrows. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to do it. We're going to stick with, well, I'm going to give you the option. You can either do boxes or quarters of an inch. Every box is 1/4 of an inch wide. Oh goodness, 1/4 of an inch wide and 1/4 of an inch tall. So when you go to put your measurement, you're going to have a line that matches, I'm going to do the width of this, a line that matches the edges of the object. I'm now going to put arrows, and in between the arrows, I'm going to put 4. Now that's 4 boxes. I'm going to start with boxes, and then I'm going to do it with inches. Inches are better, but we can do boxes if you don't want to go there yet. Now, I'm going to do the width of this one. The width of the middle is 8 boxes. The width of this side is 4 boxes. Last thing I'll need is the total width. 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 4 is 16. And I'll tell you what, for your measurements, you could just do a fraction. I'll explain this in a little bit. This is telling me I have 4 quarters. Kind of like money. If you have 4 quarters, how much money do you have? It all equals $1. If that makes sense. So here I'm doing my measurements in quarters of an inch. It's 4 boxes, but boxes are also 1/4 of an inch. So we have 4 quarters for this width, 8 quarters for this width, 4 quarters for this width. The entire thing is 16 quarters. I'm going to do the height now. So I need to know how tall this portion is. So I'm going to set up a little line here, and that matches the height from here and the height from here. I'm going to put 2 quarters with my arrows. Now I need this portion. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 quarters. For the entire thing, my height is going to be 2 plus 6 is 8 quarters. I have measured all my width. I've measured all my height. Now I'm going to do my depth. The depth can be found in the top view or the side view. I'm going to make my depth 2 quarters. You'll notice I put my arrows on the outside if there isn't enough space for me to draw on the inside. If I have enough space, I put my measurement between the arrows and the arrows pointing to the outside. So by the end of today, I want you to have this drawing redone with a 4 quarters width here, or 4 boxes, And I'd like you to have your measurements just like this video.